Hello there, beautiful person. So tonight I am only going to pack my bag for my trip to Dublin. That's all I'm doing. I've been adding the strap that usually is on the duffel bag. I'm going to add it to this bag, and the bag is basically empty. I have my wallet in here along with my passport and the COVID papers that you need to bring with you when you travel. That's it, because we're not allowed to bring luggage. I didn't pay for it because it's a one-day trip. It's going to be a gloomy, rainy day, so we're going to a pub. Actually, we're going to a very, very well-known pub in Ireland, and apart from that, we're just going to walk around. I've seen it all actually. We've been to Dublin a couple of times before. I really love the city, I do. So we're going back, and I'm taking you with me. We'll see you tomorrow on the airport probably, and we'll have a good time together. Bye. So it's the morning of departure, and I'm still contemplating if I should put my hair in a bun because it's going to be rainy, and I'm not taking anything with me like a comb or brush or whatever. We'll see. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the infamous Temple Bar in Dublin. You can easily pass it because it's not really big. It's closed right now.